All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the silver one in my nose because that's the one I want. So basically you're gonna put one of the ends into the existing nose piercing hole that you have on your nose. So let's go ahead and put it on. So like I said, just wanna start putting it in slowly and then you're gonna start spinning into it. Once you start, if you get that in the hole, you might have to wiggle it around just a little bit. So then once you have that in, you're gonna go ahead and start spinning. All right, so I'm twisting until it stops. So it has the other end into the side of your nose. It looks like you have a double hoop. Super simple, super easy, doesn't hurt, and check them out.